Hello everyone, welcome back to Codex Academy. In today's session, we are going to introduce one more most important extension in Scratch, that is Makey Makey extension. Before we are going to use this Makey Makey extension, first let me introduce what is Makey Makey Kit and how it will help you to make your game more interactive, more amazing. So let's first know about what is Makey Makey Kit and how it will work and what it does. But before we begin, like, subscribe and hit the bell icon and let's jump into Scratch. First, I'll introduce you what is Makey Makey Kit. Makey Makey Kit, it's actually an invention kit. It's turn every object, if you're talking about clay, if you're talking about banana, any fruit, if you're talking about coin, water, and even your hand. It can turns any object into touchpad. No need to use always your keyboard or mouse to click and play your game. You can use any object. If you want to use any fruit object, if you want to use any clay, if you want to use any other thing which connect the Makey Makey kit, and then afterwards you can use that object as your touchpad. So as I told you, it will just work like keyboard or mouse in more playful way because it turns multiple object like a key and you can use them as keyboard or mouse click and enjoy your game in more interactive way, right? Here this Makey Makey kit allows to control the computer using real world object, fruit, paper, coin, water, even your hand. When we are going to discuss about the Makey Makey kit, first we'll see what are the things we have in Makey Makey and how it will work for us. So this is our Makey Makey kit. The first one you can see this board. This Makey Makey board have 4 arrows up, down, left, right and 2 more buttons. One is space bar and another one is for mouse left click. Whenever you will use arrow keys, space bar or mouse click to play your game. Instead of that, you can connect any object with these arrow keys, space bar or mouse click, and then afterwards that object you will use as the key. Like if you want to connect any object in the whole of this up arrow with the help of these alligator clip wires, so automatically your object is connected to the up arrow key. And here at the ground you will see the earth ground bar, and another connection you will connect ground bar. So it will make your circuit complete, and then afterwards your object will work as touchpad, or you can say keyboard or mouse, and you can use it to play your game in a more interactive way. In this kit, you will also get some jumper wires to make multiple connections, and you have the USB cable. This USB cable is used to connect your Makey Makey kit with the computer. So there are 4 things you will get in the Makey Makey kit. First, the Makey Makey board, where you have 4 arrow keys, one spacebar button and another one is mouse left click connector button. These all points are used to turns your object into touchpad, and here these alligator wires are used to make the connections, and then jumper wires also to make multiple connection, and this USB cable is used to connect your Makey Makey kit with your computer. Okay, now we'll see how it will work. Like you can see here, this is our system. This is our USB cable. This USB cable help to connect the Makey Makey kit with the computer. And here I have used one alligator clip wire. One side it connect with the up arrow and another point is directly put inside the banana. So automatically banana will work as up arrow key, and another side we should connect the ground connection. Take this ground wire in your hand, or you can use any other object to make your circuit complete. So you can see here in this circuit of Makey Makey kit, the computer will work as the battery which give the power, and here the Makey Makey kit will work as a touchpad, and with this keyboard you connected different object, and that object with the help of Makey Makey kit it turn into touchpads. Okay, I hope you understand this, how the Makey Makey kit will work. Now we'll see how we can use this Makey Makey kit in Scratch. Whenever you will choose the extension, at the second row, you will get this extension. Makey Makey make anything into key. It means this tool help you to turn any object as a touchpad, as keyboard or mouse you can say. Now we'll see how many blocks we have in this extension. So this is the Makey Makey extension, and now you can see there are two blocks present in the Makey Makey extension. First is when space key press. When you drop it, it will open like that. Here you can see multiple key options are present: space, up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, left arrow, and multiple alphabetical key also you can use. And on the basis of that, you can make the connection and turn your object into touchpad. And if you want to use in your game multiple key press in order, so you can do that as well by the help of this second block, that is when left upright press in order. It means when you want to perform any action in your game by the pressing multiple key in order. Like suppose you want to make U-turn of your car in your game, and here for that particular action you want to make a order of more than one key together. So you can use this block, and on the basis of that you can give the command in your game, and with the help of Makey Makey kit you can connect any object with the system. Like you can see here are multiple kind of key orders present in this block, like left up right, right up left, left right, right left, up down, down up. So you can use such kind of combinations, key press in order, and on the basis of that you can give the command in your game and play in more interactive manner. So this is all about the Makey Makey kit. Now I'll show you how the Makey Makey kit it's really look like. So this is our Makey Makey board. Here you can see we have 6 points. First is up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, left arrow, and two buttons. One is space key button and another one is mouse left click button. And at the down we will get all earth connections, means ground connections. When you flip it, you will see here we have USB cable point. With this kit, we will get this USB cable. One side you will connect with our computer system, and the other side we can connect with this Makey Makey kit like this. And also with this kit we will get some jumper wires to make multiple connections with the Makey Makey kit. And also we have some alligator clip wires. It open like this. When you want to connect this alligator clip wire with Makey Makey board, it's very easy to connect. You can connect like this. Just put in this two hole and leave it. So it can easily connect with your Makey Makey board. So it's very easy to use. In the next session, we'll use our Makey Makey kit and make our game more interactive and enjoy with more playful way. I hope you understand and like this video. If you like, please like, subscribe and share with your friends and family. With this note, we conclude the session. We'll see you in next session. Bye-bye.